I wish we had something to eat, though. Look what I've got! Rectangles! Not just any rectangles, candy bars! Oh. All we have to do is make them last the rest of our lives. Thanks, SpongeBob. I think I'll eat it now. I think I'll eat it now. Ooh. Where'd my candy bar go? I must have dropped it. You just ate it, Pat. It's all over your face. Where'd it go? I'm gonna starve. Where'd it go? I can't find it. Where could it possibly be? Aha! What? You stole my candy bar. No, I didn't. Oh, so that's how it is, huh? Once a thief, always a thief. You ate yours, this is mine. You took my only food. Now I'm gonna starve. Here, Patrick, just take half of mine. Yours? You mean mine. Do you want it or what? I don't want it unless you admit you took it. This is my candy bar. Liar, liar, plants for hire. It's pants on fire, Patrick. Well, you wouldn't know. Liar. Well, if you're gonna be that way, I'll eat it myself. You better not. I'm warning you. Don't. Stop it. Don't. Oh. You're a crazy person. I should have expected this after the way you stole that balloon. Did I, Patrick? Did I? Or did your criminal mind hypnotize me to steal it? Oh, that's it! Yeah! First the balloon, now my candy bar. You're out of control. I'm telling on you.